Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Garmin MarQ Captain. Let's get started. Coming in at $1,699 from Garmin or $1,436 from Amazon, this is the Garmin MarQ Captain. As you can see, you've got 5 different watches: the driver, aviator, captain, expedition and athlete. And this is the unboxing and overview of the captain version. Originally this one is designed for people who they have a boat or ship of some type, and so you can control various different elements on your boat or yacht. This will work with weather conditions. It'll also work with the onboard instruments. Right, so inside we have a little box. Let's have a look inside here. If I can find how to open it. There we go. Right, so we've got the warranty card. Obviously this is a fill in yourself warranty card. Nice looking, nice quality. Okay. And we've got the, what is this, quick start guide. Yeah, it just shows you things like charging and what the buttons. You've got up, down, push. It doesn't have a touch screen on this watch, so you use the buttons to push. All of the Garmin watches in the MarQ collection are the same. They don't have a touch screen. Right, so this box has a plastic lid with magnets, and then inside we've got the watch displayed nicely there. The box itself is very heavy. It's got a plastic bottom with rubber grips and then an insert that pulls out. Very nice quality. A little bit of documentation. Nice thick cardstock it's made from as well. Alright, we've got a little box in the bottom, and that's it. Okay, there's a little bit of ribbing around the edges there. Doesn't seem to be for any purpose but to hold the card. Very solid box. Very thick gauge steel. Right, inside here we've got the charging cable and a black rubber strap. Charging cable is not the one I like. With the Phoenix series they've got the push-in type, and this one is the clip. I always find this one to be a little cheap looking, but it does its work, I suppose. It does its job. Right, on this rubber strap they've got the new pushers on there to the quick release tabs. Got like a serrated edge on them, and this one's form fitting as well. I'll show you it on the watch in a bit. Let's put those to one side. Okay. Nice presentation again. This whole piece seems to be just to hold the watch. There's no hidden compartments or anything. Just a big block of foam. Right, we've got a little piece around the strap there, protecting it, and it slips out nicely. Right, there we go. Beautiful looking watch. Okay, it's got a little sticker on there. Now this has got a domed sapphire glass, and it's got a ceramic bezel around the outside. And this is a special type of nylon band. Very thick. It feels very nice. I'm not a great fan of nylon bands, but this one does look very, very nice, so I'll probably use it on occasion. I've already ordered a steel band, which is coming, and I may get the titanium band if I don't like the steel band. So let's just see how that goes on. Absolutely beautiful watch. Titanium build, and all of the hardware here is also titanium. 6 times stronger than steel, as I said in the last video about the Garmin watches. Nice looking pattern on the strap. 2.5 millimeters thick, if any of you are interested, which is about twice as thick as a normal NATO strap. So it feels nice in the hand. On the back here we've got the charging pins and the writing to explain about the 100-meter water resistance and things. Beautiful watch, absolutely stunning. Reminiscent, of course, of the Rolex GMT. Very, very nice looking. Okay, right, so this is the charging cable. Now, I haven't had one from Garmin before, but I have had one very similar to this on a watch a few years back. As I remember, it just clips into place. Okay, so you've got like a crocodile clip here with the pins installed inside, and then it just clips on there and sits on the glass. Yeah, I'm really not a fan of that. I prefer the type that clip in the back. Never mind. It doesn't need charging very often. It's got a, I believe, 12-day battery on this one. Right, so you've got some pins on the back here, quick release pins, so you can take the strap on and off as you wish. Again, beautiful quality. They just unclip absolutely beautifully. Here it is with the rubber strap. As you can see, it's form-fitting. It looks a lot like the Omega strap on some of their sports watches. Yeah, again, not a fan of the rubber straps, and I'm not a fan of the way that one fits because it juts out from your wrist a little bit too far, making it more of a boxy feel when you're wearing it. But it was a strap included in the box, so can't complain. Right, so you need these two apps to use with the watch. Okay, so this one's the Garmin. Let's turn on the Bluetooth there. Right, so you need Garmin Connect. Okay, we seem to be falling at the gate here. The battery needs charging. Right, okay, I'm going to charge this up, and yeah, it's definitely flat. I've never had that before. Usually they have between 30 and 70% battery. Right, let's put this on charge quickly, and we'll come back to it in a few minutes once it's charged, and I'll show you a bit more around the watch. Okay, stay tuned, and we'll be back in a few minutes.
Much later.
Right, that wasn't a few minutes, that was a few hours. It took 2.5 hours just to get it to this stage, and switching it on, we have an update in process. You have these sort of things when you make videos for YouTube. Nothing goes right. Right, I'll show you around the watch while it's updating. Right, you've got the up, down and select buttons there. You've got the power button and light switch at the top, and then you've got the menu and then the up and down buttons there. This side you've got your mode select switch at the top, says start stop, and then underneath that you have the button for back to go back out of a program, and you've got a sensor there in the middle that will be for your temperature, altimeter, barometer. It does lots of things on this one. So this watch is capable of reading your heart rate. It will give you heart warnings if your heart rate gets too high or too low. It does your core temperature. It will supply things like weather forecast, stress related things, sleep patterns. It tracks your sleep all the way through, with your heart rate as well. Blood oxygen as well, although I have found in the past that the blood oxygen does use a lot more battery, and I usually turn that off when I don't need it. Right, so here it is with the app. It's just connecting, as you can see, with that top circle turning green. It's not picking up the heart rate because obviously I'm not wearing it, so it's just giving us other information. And also because it's a new watch, it's not going to give us a lot of information. Right, the Garmin Connect Iq is for your watch faces and apps and things like that. And on here you can download different watch faces for the watch. It will take a lot of different watch faces. You've got music apps like Spotify, Music and Amazon Music. There's some of the watch faces you can get. And of course you've got apps as well to check out all different things and different parts of your lifestyle. Beautiful watch. I will keep saying it because it is absolutely stunning. Now this is a transflective display, so please don't leave messages in the comments saying you can't see the dial and things. It's a transflective display, so when you're outside running or doing sports or activities, you will see the time and all of your information absolutely perfectly. When you're in the house and you're in normal lighting, then you may have to just turn your wrist slightly to catch the light on the dial so you can see the time. But I've never found it a bother at all. It's not a bother. When you get a 12-day battery, and with the Phoenix series you get a 30-day battery, I much prefer that over a nice bright Apple Watch that only lasts a few hours. Right, on here, as I'm going through, you probably saw all the different things for when you're using your boat or your yacht. And then inside this section here with the menu button, I went the wrong way, sorry. Then you can go through your health things, blood oxygen, heart rate. We've got music app. You can store 32 gigabytes of things like watch faces, music and apps. There's the weather. And if you press the button, you can scroll through the different aspects of information that you're gathering. Okay, the temperature on here is your core temperature, or you could say the ambient air temperature around you. Garmin do say it's the core temperature of your body, but mine has been reading between 31 and 32, and I would hope that I'm a little bit warmer than that. Nice clear readout, as you can see, beautiful. You can connect your earbuds to this as well, or headphones. I haven't got anything in reach at this second. I should have been more prepared with that one. But as you can see, it can connect to my Echo Show. So it will connect to your Bluetooth devices as well. If you use it with Bluetooth, the battery takes a big hit and you'll get about 8 to 9 hours listening to music on this. So I wouldn't suggest, if you're going hiking, to use the music app unless you take a power bank with you and the charger. Otherwise you'll be flat by the end of the day. Right, so that was the music app. Okay, so it gives you all of the information, nice and clear. You get your notifications as well as the notifications come in. Watch faces, I'll just go through the watch faces you get with this. Okay, I'll try and get it so you can see it best. Very nice displayed faces, and then give you all the information that you need. You can change them as well and customize them for different colors. You can take away information and replace it with other information, and you can customize it to the way you like to see your watch face. Now that's another thing I really like. With the Apple Watches, again, you really don't get that sort of customization, and with the Connect Iq you can get even more faces, as many as you like. Beautiful ceramic bezel. It changes colour as you turn your wrist. It will go from a turquoise blue all the way through to a dark navy blue. Absolutely lovely. Great watch. Very, very nice. Now let me know in the comments if you are going to buy one of these for yourself. Beautiful, beautiful watch. I'm really looking forward to wearing it, and let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think you like it? See you next time.